Did you know that it's Black History Month's 100th anniversary? This video is actually about sickle cell awareness. Without further ado,
Sickle cell is genetic disease. It affects the red blood cell. Red blood cells carry a protein called hemoglobin that is responsible for carrying the oxygen around your body to all your organs, your bones, everywhere. In people that live with sickle cell, our red blood cells don't form as they should. In healthy people, your red blood cells are round and squishy and they flow through the blood vessels, spreading all the oxygen. Unfortunately for myself, Ali, and others like us, our red blood cells are not round and squishy. They're hard, they're sticky, they change shape into a sickle shape. Because they're in that shape, they kind of clump together. And when they do that, they restrict the oxygen from getting to specific areas of the body. It causes excruciating pain. That is known as a sickle cell crisis. But as well as that, it causes a number of different complications that can affect everywhere in your body that blood flow, other than your nails and your hair. It's like...
all right, cool. That was a lot of information. I'm gonna just try and break some things down, yeah? So, sickle cell awareness, this is what we're on about right now. Let me just go through this again.
Sickle cell is genetic disease. It affects the red blood cell. Red blood cells carry...
So yeah, it is a disorder. It's genetic, as it comes from both your parents. When they have kids, they have a chance of actually either the kids are either gonna have sickle cell or have sickle cell trait. So yeah, it is a genetic thing, and it comes from your parents and your parents' parents and your parents' parents.
A protein called hemoglobin that is responsible for carrying the oxygen around your body to all your organs, your bones, everywhere. In people that live with sickle cell, our red blood cells don't form as they should. In healthy people, your red blood cells are round and squishy and they flow through the blood vessels.
So with red blood cells, they're meant to be circular. Why they're circular is because they need to be malleable. So as you can see in your body, or imagine in your body, that your body has different sized veins. There's veins that reach your eyes. There's veins that go to your liver, your big toe, I don't know, your buttock. But why this is important is why they're circular is because they need to be malleable, which means that they need to be able to travel from head to toe around your body and get through different size veins. That's how I kind of understand it. When it then comes down to sickle cell, it is a sickled shape. It's a sickled cell, which means that it's a half moon or sickled shaped blood cell. What that means is that if one's circular and malleable, this one isn't. It can't bend, it can't squish, which then means that if it's traveling from head to toe, going to certain areas is only going to create further problems down the line.